Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the DeNet DataKeeper Node sale. This is an exciting opportunity, especially for those of you with unused hard drives or SSDs who want to contribute to decentralized storage while earning a solid income. So stick around to learn how it works, the potential earnings, and everything else you need to know. Let's start with a quick overview of DeNet. It's a decentralized platform focused on secure data storage and management. There are two key ways to earn with DeNet. The Watcher node verifies data integrity and earns rewards. The DataKeeper node allows you to provide storage space and earn rewards for hosting encrypted files. I've already made a lot of content about DeNet, so if you want to dive deeper into the platform and its ecosystem, check out my other videos. In this video, we'll focus on the DataKeeper node. These nodes are part of the DeNet network and let you provide decentralized storage to users in exchange for rewards. DeNet will store encrypted files, ensuring data security and privacy. This is a great way to make some passive income with some unused storage space. In the near future, I'll be buying a 20 terabyte hard drive just for using with the DataKeeper node. The DataKeeper node is now available for reservation. By paying a $100 deposit, you can secure your spot in the network. Currently, the final price for the node is $473, but this increases as more nodes are reserved. So if you are interested, you should do your reservation as soon as possible to get the lowest price. If in the future you lose interest in the DeNet DataKeeper node, you can get a refund. Just note that there is a deduction of 5% for operational fees, and you will also lose the fees paid in the transaction. The DataKeeper node will provide two sources of earnings. You will earn $100 every year for each terabyte of data stored. So if you store 1 terabyte, you will earn around $8 per month. And if you store 10 terabytes, you will get around $83 per month. There is also some bonus rewards. 15% of the total token supply is allocated to the bonus rewards, and these tokens will be vested over a period of 2 years. If we consider a fully diluted valuation of 1 billion, you will earn around 1,300 as a bonus every year, meaning $108 per month. And if we consider a fully diluted valuation of 500 million, you will earn around $650 per year or $54 per month. Remember that these values are just an estimation, so the real earnings will be different. And also very important, you get paid for the data you store and not for the data you provide. This means that if you provide 100 terabytes of storage, but users only use 10 terabytes, you will get paid for the 10 terabytes. If you use the link in the description, you can see the calculator to estimate your yearly earnings. 25% of the total supply is dedicated to ecosystem maintenance and to reward the data keepers, and another 20% will be used for community incentive and Watcher node rewards. Now let's go over the available discounts for the DataKeeper node. First, there is the Watcher node discount. By running a Watcher node and upgrading it, you can unlock additional discounts based on your node's level. If you join the Watcher node using my referral code, which I've left in the description, you'll receive 1000 bonus WN tokens. The Watcher node is free to run and there will be plenty of rewards for Watcher node users. I have already received 52 peak tokens and there is more to come in the near future. Next is the referral code discount. If you are ready to buy right now, you can use my referral link in the description to get 5% off the final price of the node. I will also get a small commission, so thank you very much if you can use my code. Buying the node is very simple. You just need to go on the link in the description and open the node sale website, connect your MetaMask wallet. It can be the same wallet used for the Watcher node, and then choose the amount of nodes you want to reserve, agree to the terms and conditions and click on reserve. After this, it will take you to a new screen, and here you can choose the token for the payment. I recommend using a network like Polygon or Peak that have very low transaction fees. The future for the DeNet project is very exciting. If you want to take a look into the roadmap, you can pause the video right now. If you have any questions about this or other projects, you can join our free community. It's linked in the description. We have both Discord and Telegram. For today, that was the video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.